Every market move has a reason behind it. Most people never stop to ask what that reason actually is. PrimeSetPeak exists to change that. PrimeSetPeak started from a simple observation. Most market content focuses on what to do, but very little focuses on how to think. Buy this, sell that, watch this level. Instructions without reasoning. And without reasoning, none of it actually sticks. You end up dependent on someone else's call instead of building your own understanding. PrimeSetPeak takes a different approach. The focus here is on the thinking process itself, how to analyze conditions, how to interpret price behavior, and how to build a strategy that's actually yours. That means breaking down market analysis into something you can actually apply. Looking at why price moves the way it does. Understanding the relationship between sentiment, data, and market behavior. Recognizing patterns without treating them as guarantees. It also means being honest about uncertainty. No market analysis removes risk entirely. What it does is replace blind guessing with informed reasoning, and that distinction matters more than people realize. PrimeSetPeak isn't about being right every time. It's about building a way of thinking that holds up regardless of which direction the market moves.